In this video, we'll go over Near Protocol. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Near Protocol? Near Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain that was designed as a community-run cloud computing platform, and that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bogging competing blockchains, such as low transaction speeds, low throughput, and poor interoperability. This provides the ideal environment for dApps and creates a developer and user-friendly platform. For instance, Near uses human-readable account names, unlike the cryptographic wallet addresses common to Ethereum. Near also introduces unique solutions to scaling problems and has its own consensus mechanism called Doomslug. Near Protocol is being built by the Near Collective, its community that is updating the initial code and releasing updates to the ecosystem. Its declared goal is to build a platform that is secure enough to manage high-value assets like money or identity and performant enough to make them useful for everyday people. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Near uses its Nightshade technology to improve transaction throughput massively. Nightshade is a variation of sharding, in which individual sets of validators process transactions in parallel across multiple sharded chains, improving the overall capacity of the blockchain. In contrast to regular sharding, shards in Nightshade produce a fraction of the next block, called chunks. In doing so, Near Protocol is able to achieve up to 100,000 transactions per second, and achieve near-instant transaction finality thanks to a 1-second block cadence while simultaneously keeping transaction fees at virtually zero. Near Protocol also improves upon the convoluted onboarding process of other blockchains by having human-readable addresses, and building decentralized applications with similar registration flow to what users have already experienced. Moreover, it provides developers with modular components, helping them start projects like token contracts or NFTs more quickly. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $20 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.